at Bengaluru's Freedom Park, where thousands of students, activists, and people have gathered for a peaceful demonstration organized by the Cockroach Janata Party. The demonstration was led by party founder Abhijit Dipke as part of a nationwide campaign against the alleged NEET UG 2026 question paper leak. Earlier, a similar protest had been held at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. The protesters demanded the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and raised the slogans #Education Minister must resign. They alleged that the NEET UG 2026 question paper leak and other irregularities in national level examinations had affected the future of lakhs of students across the country. Now, let's talk to the protesters to know more about the issue.
I think everybody by now knows that the main motive for this protest is to stop the corruption scam happening in students' life. So that is the motive. I think CJP has been driven this well. I think so far what I see the participation of the students and the parents and the general public is here to support and honor the irreplaceable lives of the students who tragically took a wrong decision of committing suicide by immense pressure what they had because of this scam. So I think the motive is good, that we want to bring changes in the...
CJP founder Abhijit Dipke has told and he has urged youngsters not to involve in Hindu-Muslim politics. How
Very
do you
true.
see this? How do you
Definitely.
see this?
Because this government, the current ruling party in Central has only driven their propaganda by doing Jati Dharma, right? So that has to go. We need to look towards, we need to look towards growth. Our economy is going bad. Our currency is dropping down. Every cost of living is becoming higher. So we wanted change from earlier government to current government because we wanted to see the difference. We want to see our country grow. Take any aspect, whether it is cost of living has not changed or it's not the same, or it is economy which is going down, or the corruption is going worse. It's in the peak. So that is why I think it's all because we believed people doing Jati Dharma, and that is why we voted. And now there's a change for us to make the changes in the government.
So when Chief Justice of India made remarks calling youngsters as cockroach, and this kind of protest is happening, and again one more Chief Justice is again making a lot of remarks against the founder. So how do you
I think now they should be regretting. I think the whole BJP government is regretting on the statements what they've made, because we had a big question mark on the youth, how they're going to be in future, right? So this is one good example what youth is showing to the India.
Will it make any difference?
Definitely it will make difference, because at least we are not going by Godi media, which they used to always portray good about the current ruling, which is not exactly the ground reality, right? So the ground reality is different, and that is why we have CJP here.
Okay, what is the demand from the central government?
We are demanding transparency in the current academic integration, which needs to be changed. We need a strict action. Dharmendra Pradhan has to resign. He has to take accountability, which is missing in the current ruling party.
As you know, there is a series of paper leaks. The education system has gone to dogs, again with CBSE and thing. The onus should be the education minister. Nothing is happening. They still do whatever. Papers keep leaking. The system is corrupt. So somebody is voicing out about this. It's the role of the opposition, which did not do it.
So will it make difference through this protest? Because youngsters are voicing.
Yes,
So will it make difference?
It will make difference. Okay, it's not the outcome. If the Prime Minister and his cabinet had some shame, they would have taken action. They are shameless. No doubt they are shameless. Okay, but as people, we are also not dead. We are sleeping over anything which is thrown to us. If there is a price rise, we don't talk about it. There are pseudo people who come up when there is a different regime. They talk about price rise. They carry the cylinder, all that. All those people are missing. There are a set of pseudo elements when there is a rape case, when there is a rape which happens in a particular state which is ruled by differently from the thing, they come over. Okay, whereas when it happens in Uttar Pradesh or Bihar, they just show a blind eye. Okay, likewise, whether it is demonetization, whether it is GST, whether it is the anti-farmers law, it's all about people's movement. It's about speaking up.
So
Nobody spoke up then, and we are happy that the youth is speaking up today.
So that's what one important thing CJP founder is telling, and he's urging the youngsters not to involve in Hindu-Muslim politics. How do you see this?
The whole politics of the country in the last 20 years has been Hindu-Muslim, Shamshan Khabristan, all of it. Okay, the courts of India have given a blind eye. The institutions like the Election Commission, they are stooges to the establishment. They have shown a blind eye. So all this is wrong. This is not the way an independent institution should function. So India needs a change.
So when Chief Justice of India is telling the youth as cockroaches, and this kind of protest is happening, will it make a massive difference?
It will
Will
make.
the Education Minister resign?
Whether he resigns or no, if the Prime Minister had some shame, he would have taken some action. He's a shameless guy, and I do not expect anything good from him. There has to be a change. There has to be an awakening. The people should speak up. The world is laughing at us. Here, you are using media. You have a Godi media, which comes to you and asks you questions like, how do you eat a mango? Okay, a man who cannot answer a press meet, I do not have too much of an expectation from him.
What is the demand, sir? The central government, what is the demand?
My demand is not from the central government. My demand is from the people at large. Okay, wake up. This is your country. It's not in safe hands. Do something about it. I also don't have a plan, but the people speaking up itself is the first step.
ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನೋ ಬೇರೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ, CJP ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಪಕ್ಷನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಬರೀ ಮೋದಿ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಆಗಲಿ BJP ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಆಮ್ ಆದ್ಮಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ BJP. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಅನುಭವ ಅಂದರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದಿನ ಇದು CJPನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಘೋಷಣೆಗಳು ಬರೀ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ BJP ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕೂಡಿರೋದು ಏನು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ, CJP ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪಕ್ಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೇಪಾಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಂಗೆ ಇದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಜೊತೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದೇ ಪಕ್ಷ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇವರು ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದಿನ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ.
ಫೋಟೋ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಧರ್ಮೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಧಾನ್ ಬಂದು ರಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್. ಇವಾಗ ಅದೊಂದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಘೋಷಣೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ BJP ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿನೇ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಧರ್ಮೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಧಾನ್.
ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದು ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ BJP ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. BJPನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ, ಯಾವ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಏನೋ ವಕ್ತಾರನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಪಕ್ಷ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಓಟು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೂ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಯಾವ ಪಕ್ಷ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ವೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಯಾವ ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೂ ಓಟ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ.
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನು
ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನನಗೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ. ಯಾಕೆ ಬೈಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೈಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೈಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗನೂ ಬೈಯುತ್ತೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಏಜ್ ಆದ 95 ಇರೋ ಏಜ್ ಆದ ಮುದುಕನೂ ಬೈತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಬೈಯೋದು ಬಿಡಿ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕಲೀರಿ. ಯಾವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಗೋಧಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಾವುದು BJP, CJP, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾದಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ತೊಗೊತೀರಾ, ಯಾವ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊತೀರಾ, ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವ್ರ ಮನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋಕೆ ಕಲಿತೀವೋ ಅವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವ್ರ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು
ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ
ಮೇಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್.
ಹೌದೌದು. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಮೂಲ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬುಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಜನಗಳ ಬುಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ನೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಜನ ಇವತ್ತು ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋದು ಕಲೀರಿ. ಯಾವುದೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಜನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಈ ನೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ. ನೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರದಿಂದ ಆಯಿತು. ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ? ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರೋ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿಗಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರದಿಂದ ಬಂತು. ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು? ಜನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಹಣ. ಜನ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೂಲ ಜನಗಳು ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿರೋದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಏನು ಜನರಿಗೆ?
ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೆಸೇಜು, ಜನಗಳೇ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು, ಭಾರತ ಒಂದು ಹೇಡಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾರತ ಒಂದು ಹೇಡಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಹಾಕುತ್ತಿದೆ, ಭಯದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಕಲೀರಿ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಇದೇನು ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೋ, ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು, ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದಂದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ಬಂದವನು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಅವ್ನು ಕೇಳಿರೋ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ MLA, MP ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಟ್ಟ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿ.
मैं शिवाजी नगर से कांग्रेस पार्टी की ग्रुप है हमारी. हम लोग चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पे हम मुसलमान हैं, हिंदू मुसलमान सिख ईसाई सब भाई भाई हैं. पहला तो मैसेज यह है कांग्रेस पार्टी का. और दूसरी जो बात है, मोदी जी को हम रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि प्लीज़ ये जो भी जो पेपर जो लीक हो रहे हैं, एग्जाम्स के पेपर जो लीक हो रहे हैं, उसकी हिफाजत करिए. ये 4-5 साल से ऐसे कंटिन्यू चल रहा है. हम लोग की मांग है कि बच्चों का भविष्य खराब मत करो. आपकी भी शायद नहीं, मतलब दूसरों के बच्चों की भविष्य खराब मत करो. हिंदुस्तान की हिफाजत कीजिए प्लीज़, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है.
Today we are here to support Cockroach Janata Party. So why we are here? Why we are in rain? We are standing in rain. So because of the statement, the shameful statement made by the judge. So he said youngsters are the cockroach. So it's a very shameful thing that he said. So we are here to support Cockroach Janata Party. I'm Youth President, Aam Aadmi Party from Shivaji Nagar. So we condemn this statement, and youths are not cockroaches. They are the future of our country. Shame on the Chief Justice of India.
And when CJP founder is telling and he's urging the youth not to involve in Hindu-Muslim politics, as the overall nation we are witnessing lot of communal disruption. So how do you see this? Is it a good step that he's taking?
Yes, of course. Abhijit Dipke is a very good person. We have verified, and he is a very good person. So he is doing very good for the country. BJP is playing Hindu-Muslim politics from past so many years. Youngsters have been fed up of BJP nowadays. So they are coming up to support Cockroach Janata Party. In future, Cockroach Janata Party is a Andolan. It's not a party. It's an Andolan. And Aam Aadmi Party also support Cockroach Janata Party.
So what is your demand to the central government?
Central government should take action and seek resignation from Dharmendra Pradhan, who is education minister. So they have to take any stand. Without their stand, why is he sitting on the seat?
So through this protest, will it make any difference?
Yeah, of course.
Because central government is not responding, because it's a nationwide action.
They will respond. Abhijit Dipke is a person who will bring down the BJP in future.
Main intention of this protest is many students have suicide, so we have to give them a justice. So education minister who's sitting in the central government, he have to do a resignation.
Okay, when CJP founder is telling and
Yeah.
urging the youth
Yeah.
not to involve in Hindu-Muslim politics.
Yeah.
And we witness lot of communal disruption every day.
Yeah.
So how do you see this? Is it a good step?
Actually, Hindu Muslims are brothers. All blood is one. Hindu blood is also one. Muslim blood is also one. So we have to not fight. So we are a brothers, actually.
So when Chief Justice of India with the high post, when he is making such remarks, calling the youths as cockroaches, and these kind of protest is happening nationwide. So how do you see this?
While every cockroaches gather, there will be a justice throughout India.
So what is the demand to the central government?
So education minister should do a resignation as soon as possible.
The protest is happening because the education system has rotten from inside. If you see the hierarchy, people are not getting proper education. If they are not getting education, how you can expect good doctors, good engineers, engineers, good teachers. This is the reason bridge are falling apart. This is the reason nobody is willing to go to a doctor. Even if you have, even like I am a doctor. So if I am prescribing something, people will think twice before taking the medicine. So if the education system is not right, people, I mean, 8% of our population is rich. They can go out. We are fighting for the poverty line people, 80% of the population. We are fighting for you, for us, for our next generation. If this is not happening, will you let your children go out and go to a doctor normally?
Okay, when Cockroach Janta Party founder is telling youths not to involve in Hindu-Muslim politics, yesterday it was a headline. How do you see this?
It's a very good thing because already whoever is sitting in the government, they are dividing and rule. The last time Lord Karjan was doing that, 1905, divide and rule. So here they are dividing and ruling in the name of religion. I come from a background where I have my grandfather in Congress, I have my father is in CPIM, but they have given me the liberty that think and speak. So I'm here not to support any party, I'm here to support ideology. It's a matter of the student, it's matter of our country's future because students will be going to shape the
This
future.
Cockroach Janta Party is making everyday headline, and Chief Justice of India is giving remarks against them when they are targeting the CJP founder. How do you see this? Should youth are voiceless? If they are giving voice, they are giving opposite to them. So how do you see this?
Who is giving opposite to them?
Chief Justice of India. So I spoke about it in my Instagram page, and my 2 of videos got blocked. You can check. My name is Anisha Das, Dr. Anisha Das. So Chief Justice of India, I will suggest because we are asking for the marks card of Prime Minister also. So please show your marks card because the way you commented on youth cockroaches, then I can say you are bedbugs. You are making the whole system, rotten from inside. And as a Chief Justice of India, how dare you do that? You don't have education. What your parents have taught you. You are sitting in a position when, I always stick to this phase. In Spider-Man, there is a dialogue that great power comes with great responsibility. When you are sitting in Chief Justice of India, you should motivate people in a positive way. Just because we are voicing out without knowing the reason, you cannot say cockroaches. Cockroaches can stand in an atomic bomb blast. They are targeting youngsters.
They are because they are the voice. I think whoever read the books, they know that Swami Vivekananda once told that you give me 10 youth, I will build the nation.
So what is their demand to the central government?
Resign.
Protest.
Through this protest, education minister is not able to handle education, as I mentioned here. So resign. And also other ministers who are not able to handle their ministry, please resign. Let us take over.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಅವರ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಪಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಗೋಧಿಯ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅನಾಚಾರದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ನೀಟ್ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ದೇಶಾದ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ನಾನು ಜಯಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಜನತಾದಳ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ರಾಜ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ, ಜೆಪಿಜೆಡಿ ಪಕ್ಷ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡರದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಆಂದೋಲನದಿಂದಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಜೆಪಿ ರವರ ಆಂದೋಲನ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೆಪಿಜೆಡಿ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಬಂದು ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂದೂ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಗಳು ಹಿಂದೂ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ, ಹಿಂದೂ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ. ಯಾವ ಪಕ್ಷಗಳು ಹಿಂದೂ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾವು ಮನುಷ್ಯರು, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು. ಸಮಪಾಲು ಜೆಪಿ ರವರ ಆದೇಶ ಇದು, ಸಮನಾಗಿ ಬಾಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ತಲೆಬಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಒಂದಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನು?
ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಾರಿ ನೀಟ್ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಗಲ್ಲಿಗೇರಿಸೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ತರ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸಮೇತ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
We are from Andhra Pradesh. Today we are protesting against of the UGC and NEET, JEE mains and also other exams. All the national exams are paper leakage. The government are not responsible. In the even 1 month has been going to the protest, even national wide protest. But BJP government not give the responsible. We are demanding only one demand: should be education minister resign.
Okay. So and also when day before yesterday, CJP founder has told and he has told the youngsters not to involve in Hindu-Muslim politics. How do you see this?
Yeah, this is not a religion protest. It is the national protest. It is only because of the students, only because of the loss of their lives, only because of their people are suffering more than 5 or 6 years. They are preparing for the NEET exam, but they are suffering the paper leak.
Okay. And also former Chief Justice Markanday has made remarks against CJP founder and he has separately formed his own party. How do you see this?
This is not the political whatever in the party. It is only the protest of the national youth and national students.
So what is your demand to the central government?
Should be Dharmendra Pradhan resign. The only demand is one.
See, whatever it is, they're trying to wake you up, and I'm for it. I want people to wake up. That's all.
And when founder
So I'll support them.
When CJP founder is telling youth not to involve in Hindu-Muslim politics, this is a wake-up call again.
I'm for it.
Correct.
I'm absolutely my book. This is my book, God in 2 Minutes, which says that religion is not for dividing people. It's for uniting people, for welfare of people.
What is your demand to the central government?
My demand? I don't have any demand.
This protest.
My demand is for the people to wake up. That's all. And there is a lot of wrong things happening. Religion is being used to divide people. Religion was supposed to be uniting people. A lot of corruption is there. A lot of things. My country is suffering. I want people to wake up and do the right things to make sure that that the country progresses. That's all.
Okay, when in Supreme Court, Chief Justice of India calling youngsters as cockroaches, and how do you see this and how you should battle these kind of things?
I don't have a solution. I'm happy that people are waking up. That's all. All that is required is for the youth to wake up, for the people to wake up. They have got so much brainwashed by propaganda that they have to wake up. And if they can wake up, so I don't have a solution.
What is your message?
Yes, wake up is my message. That's all. Wake up and
name?
see a lot of wrong things are happening. Just wake up and see what wrong things are happening, and make sure that corruption doesn't progress. Make sure that divisive politics does not happen. Make sure that the inefficiency does not prosper. There is a right government which does the right things for the country. Education is important. Healthcare is important. Freebies, people say freebies should not be given. Look at the amount of taxes that are collected. Corruption, it's all going into corruption. Why can't people say that corruption should not happen instead of saying that all countries are giving education and healthcare free, and people are just following? Somebody here says that freebies are not good, and people blindly follow that. That's what people are sleeping. Blindly following is what is wrong. They have to do their own thinking. A lot of wrong things are happening.
When youths are battling, they are voicing, will it make difference?
Yeah, if that can help wake up people and see the right things.
We are seeing nationwide protests are happening and central government is least bothered.
See, you know what
They're
happens?
not responding to any of it.
There are certain things which even the government will not do. There are certain things which are in their favor. So if that thing doesn't happen, then people have to resist. People have to make it happen.
Because it's expected that people who cannot perform their responsibility should step down. What is wrong with that? And they should do that. So I hope they do it soon. And actually, this is a superficial, small symptom of something much deeper. That's our democracy is in great danger. Well, it is unfortunate that it is that. If you look at it, that if you call people as cockroaches, maybe our country is a country of 147 crore cockroaches, including some cockroach leaders and cockroach people who are occupying chairs in our constitutional bodies. This is wrong. I mean, it is totally wrong. Should not do that. And I understand he has given some clarification. He has expressed regret or something like that, which is a good thing. He should be more responsible. He should be. When people have grievances, we should encourage them. When people have something to say, feedback, suggestions, questions, we should encourage them. That is what democracy is all about.
So what is your demand to the central government? What they should do this NEET?
See, actually, there are many things. My individual thoughts are this nationalized thing is a bad thing.
Okay.
See, NEET is about entrance for medical exams, right?
Yeah.
It used to be state level. Why not state level? Why should somebody sitting in Delhi or UP should make the question paper and evaluation for everybody all over India? So that is wrong.
So what is your demand to the central government?
No, that's my opinion. Okay, it is wrong. Secondly, if they do it, the process should be transparent, impartial, and in the best interest of all people in the country, including the society at large. And if they're obviously paper leaks and they made everything into a business. Unfortunately, our politicians at all levels.
What is your message to the central government? Please do this.
Mr. Pradhan should resign, number one. That's the smallest thing. Actually, there are many major things. Our central government, when you say central government, union government, the executive branch of the government, see, they're destroying our democracy. They should stop doing that. They're killing our democracy, and all our constitutional bodies. Election Commission has become a wing of the BJP, and our democracy is literally being murdered today, and that should stop. And that is the big message I have for them, and the message I have for youths and people all over the country is: look, our democracy is being murdered. Please understand what is happening, why it is happening, who is doing it, and at a minimum what needs to be done. At a minimum, the Election Commission, which is now being appointed by one party, that system should go, and honest, transparent, the impartial impartial process should be used to choose impartial, honest election commissioners, and they should conduct honest elections throughout the country. So that's what's needed.
As you saw, protesters have clearly expressed their anger and concern, demanding that Union Education Minister must resign. All eyes are on the central government response. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.